For Project 100, Bright Slow Off Vibration Light, I modified the circuit from the previous project, and when I turn on the slide switch and tap the vibration switch, the bicolor LED comes on, and depending on the setting of the RV2, it's going to be very bright. But it will turn off more quickly than if it were on a dimmer setting. Project 101 is slow off tilt lights. When I turn on the slide switch and tilt the circuit in certain directions, the bicolor and color LEDs will both come on and flash, and the adjustable resistor determines how bright the LEDs are and how long they stay on. Right now they're on the brightest setting, but they won't be as bright as the bicolor LED in the previous project because the current from the batteries is divided between the two LEDs. If there was just one LED, it will be brighter. Red LEDs use less electricity, so they're going to be brighter than the green and blue LEDs within the color LED. Project 102 is very slow off-tilt lights. I replaced the C7 capacitor with the C4 one, and when I turn on the slide switch and tilt the circuit in a certain direction, both LEDs come on, but they will take longer to turn off. And they stay on the longest when the RV2 lever is on the right side. The LEDs are both very dim, but they will last a lot longer. And I'm not going to wait for them to turn off. Project 103 is slow off vibration lights. When I turn on the slide switch and tap the vibration switch, both LEDs come on and then go off. When the RV2 resistor is set to the rightmost setting, the lever is set to the rightmost setting, the LEDs, although not as bright, will stay on longer. They go off very quick on the left setting. Then for Project 104, I am going to replace the C7 capacitor with the C4 one, and they stay on longer because the C4 capacitor stores more energy. And I won't have time to watch the LEDs go out, but I'm sure you understand how this works now. Project 105 is tilted motion detector. When I turn on the slide switch, the motion detector here will only sense motion when the circuit is tilted at certain angles. So the circuit has to be tilted at the right angle, and the motion sensor has to detect movement, and then the red or color LEDs will come on. They won't, even if when the circuit is tilted, the respective LED will not come on until the motion detector senses movement. So both tilt and motion need to exist for the circuit to work. Project 106 is pretty interesting. It is called Tilt Off. Unlike other projects with the tilt switch, in which the detection of tilt will turn on something, the detection of tilt will turn off an LED. When the circuit is flat, the LED is on. But when I tilt the circuit in the right direction, the LED will go off. Then when I return the circuit back to its regular position, the LED may come back on. The adjustable resistor is just used to adjust the brightness of the LED. And if desired, you can use this circuit with the color LED, or you could switch the bicolor LED around. Same principle. Project 107 is electricity in, electricity out. When I turn off the slide switch in this case, the bicolor LED will flash yellow. When I turn the slide switch back on, the bicolor LED will flash red. Turn the switch off, it will flash yellow again. Turn it back on, flashes red again. That's because when I turn on the slide switch, the C4 capacitor charges, then discharges through the adjustable resistor when I turn the slide switch off, and the bicolor LED is a different color because the electricity is now flowing in the opposite direction. The adjustable resistor simply controls how fast the capacitor charges and discharges. It discharges more slowly on this setting, on its lowest setting, but that's pretty much it. Now I'm going to replace the C4 capacitor with the C7 one, and now the LED flashes even faster. Even on the RV2's lowest setting, the LED only stays on for a fraction of a second. I don't recommend doing this, but if you turn the slide switch on and off very quickly, you might produce a little light show there. Project 109 is mini rechargeable battery. I have the switcher set to the middle position, and I'm going to turn on the slide switch, and the LED briefly glows red. Now, the adjustable resistor is used to control the brightness and duration of the flash of the LED. I'm going to turn off the slide switch. Nothing will happen. And wait a short moment. And then I will move the switcher to this position. And now the LED glows yellow. And it will slowly go out. When I turn on the slide switch, it charges up the C4 capacitor. And then when I turn the switch off and then move the switcher to the bottom position, even though it's technically to the top position, but the capacitor will discharge and the LED will glow yellow. And this project is similar to the previous one, except now in this instance, the capacitor acts like a small rechargeable battery. It can't hold much, but it charges and discharges pretty quickly.